Frizz Control Shaping Cream. Nobody likes Frizz. I don't like Frizz. So this is a great product. It's lightweight and controls flyaway hair. Quite simple and easy to use. I know. About that much. Work it through the hands. And then I just work it through the hair. Now this is great. If you're one of those people who don't like your hair feeling producty, this is perfect. It's really lightweight and it's great on the hair. Leaves the hair feeling nice and natural. Some of the key ingredients in this product which I love, it has lanolin, which smooths the flyaways but retains the moisture in the hair. It has glycerin, which acts as an anti-humectant but keeps the hair nice and soft. And it's actually got PVP, which provides hold without the crunch. Just work that through, we scrunch it. Now I actually use this in wet hair, or you can actually use it in dry hair as well, so you can work with it both ways. So we're going to let this dry naturally. So you can see another key benefit, I mean, this is actually gluten-free, which is great. So as the product says, it controls frizz. So as you can see, it's still quite lightweight, doesn't feel too producty. It's enhanced its natural movement. I normally go in afterwards once it's dried. This dried naturally and you can see it's got a beautiful movement through it. I sometimes go in afterwards, apply to dry hair. Little amount, rub that through your hands. Turn your head back for me, love. And I'll just run my fingers through it. Just in case there's any more little flyaways, I'll try and control them. And like I said, it's quite light and leaves the hair feeling nice and natural. Beautiful. You want to see some beautiful movement and nice and lightweight.